New tonight in West Baton Rouge, the trial of the McCormick brothers should wrap up tomorrow afternoon. They were accused of using state emergencies as cover to fleece the state out of hundreds of thousands of dollars. News 2's Sarah Gray Barr explains what happened in court.
The only witness to take the stand Wednesday, Robert McCormick. Robert worked for the state fire marshal's office during storms like Hurricane Laura and Delta. Prosecutors believe the two brothers worked together to sell the state emergency goods and services at inflated prices, things they had bought for far less, specifically to illegally cash on those emergencies.
The testimony of Rob was incredible. And what I mean by incredible, I mean just not believable.
One of the businesses involved is a company called Westside Services. Robert said his brother Thomas did not work with Westside Services when the office of the state fire marshal started doing business with the company. Robert said when he learned of his brother working with Westside Services, he told his supervisors, including former state fire marshal Butch Browning, who gave the okay to continue working with Westside as long as Thomas was not the owner. This contradicts earlier testimony from witnesses like Browning and former state fire marshal employee Daniel Wallace, who said that permission was not given.
He's obviously not telling the truth. So when you see my prosecutor say, was this witness lying? Well, this witness and this witness. Well, there's documents to show that this witness told the truth here. Documents here. And this person, did he lie? Was she lying? Was they lying? Only one person in here lying? It's not lying, it's you.
Prosecutors also had problems with Robert's timeline for Thomas's employment with Westside Services because Robert said he didn't know when Thomas started working for Westside Services, just that it was after Hurricane Laura. And prosecutors say Thomas may have had dealings with another company the fire marshal was working with, Emergency Logistics Solutions.
You saw the evidence. You made a mistake from emails that went from his brother to you. And look, the evidence, I think, I'll put it this way, there's an avalanche of evidence pointing toward the guilt of these two brothers.
In Port Allen, Sarah Gray Barr, WBRZ, News 2.
Defense attorneys would not interview on camera today. They said they would decide tomorrow if Thomas McCormick would testify. Trial resumes at 9 a.m.